There's been a lot of discussion online about the best kitchen storage containers. We'll talk about 4 today, and you want to stick around for the last one because it delivers to your house. Come on over.
Making guests feel welcome, one home at a time.
Let's talk about plastic. So, these are wonderful containers. Can't remember where I got them, I think maybe Costco, but they have different sizes with different color-coded lids that go on, and then you just attach them. It's wonderful, different sizes, different colors, and the pros are they're very lightweight. So pick them up easily, children, elderly, everyone can manage these. Also, they don't break. Now, if you have really heavy food in there and you drop it like from here down or you throw it to your neighbor, it might crack. But in regular use, it's very resistant to any sort of breakage. Cons, they stain really easily. If you put pasta sauce on this, you will have a pink container the rest of its natural life. Pro, it does go in the dishwasher. Con, you should not put it in the microwave to reheat. I know, a lot of you do that. I've done that, but you're not supposed to because of the chemicals that are in this plastic. Also, they can retain odors. So if you have something really fragrant in here, maybe garlic, it's gonna stick in here. It goes in the dishwasher, but it doesn't get completely clean. And then if you wanna put something sweet in here later, guess what? It still smells like garlic. So not thrilling in that way, but I have to say, I do enjoy these containers. I give them a thumbs up with conditions. Now let's talk about glass. You'll notice these are the same kind of thing. They have these great lids, they're color-coded, but the bottom part is glass. Now, could I drop this? No. Like I could literally, nothing. I mean, it doesn't particularly like to be on the floor, but it didn't shatter. It's not gonna shatter. This will shatter. If I put this down a little too hard on my stone countertop, I could crack it or shatter it. So you have to be more careful with these. But pro, stain resistant, odor resistant, can put it in the microwave, can put it in a low oven, can put it in a warming drawer, can put it in the dishwasher. Far superior. Con, they do get heavy. Now this particular one is smaller and it's not very heavy, but you get into these bigger sizes and just on its own, it's too heavy for a child, someone who's elderly. So you do have to watch out for that. Most importantly though, it will shatter. So you want to be a little careful around that. Number 3, glass jars. Now what I love about glass jars is how versatile they are. This is a canning jar. Now they all come with these twist off lids with a rubber seal, and that's why they're canning jars. But you can use them for so many things. I bring herbs home, put them down in the water, into the refrigerator, holds those herbs. You can put fruit in these and they will last way longer than in their plastic containers. You can put salad dressings. I often do that. I make my own salad dressing. I shake it up. I put it in the refrigerator. I go by occasionally, shake it again, put it back in the refrigerator. Wonderful for that. Now let's say you don't want to get a canning jar, but you still like to use jars. Well, guess what? All kinds of things come in jars. I have no idea where I got this jar, but inside is that rubber ring attached to the lid, and I use this for dressings all the time. I also will use my pimento jars. Also has a little bit of a rubber ring in here and a metal lid. I can put all kinds of little things in here that can go into the microwave, into the refrigerator, into the dishwasher. Cost me nothing additional because it came with pimentos in it. I even have dark jars. These are just like the canning jars, has the ring and the rubber on the lid. These actually are ball canning jars. I like them because they're dark. So if you have some sort of food that ripens easily with light coming into it, this is a great idea. I even use this for flowers sometimes, just a nice little vase for flowers. So these are excellent. I probably wouldn't put them in the oven, but microwave, sure. On top of the stove, if you wanted to heat around it, that's what they're designed for. Dishwasher, refrigerator, excellent, excellent use. Now, number 4, the one that comes to your house, plastic takeout containers. Now we save these at the Come On Over house, much to my husband's delight, because they are perfect for chicken stock. Now I make my own chicken stock here at the Come On Over house, and you can too. We will link that recipe down below. But once we're done eating our takeout food, we wash these right in the dishwasher. Yeah. And we fill them with chicken stock, put the lid on, and into the freezer it goes. Now I use a little line here for the limit of how much I'm gonna fill it. It's gonna swell a little bit, but they do beautifully in here. It holds about 2 cups, maybe a little bit more. I don't really measure it, but I know what it holds. And these go into the freezer. We stack them. They stack beautifully because that's what they do. You can get them also online if you just want to do it that way, but this came with the takeout. Why not use it? Also, this is great for sending leftovers home for your company. You know why? They don't need to return this to you. It's a takeout. So you can just give them some takeout, maybe put some cheesecake in here, some savory soup, send it off with them. It's gone forever. So let us know about your favorite food containers. Comment down below, maybe a certain container for a certain kind of food, one that you're violently opposed to, one that did not work out well for you. We'd love to hear back from you. But it didn't shatter. Really? Sorry. So I have to stop. I've got a piece of hair that I just cannot. Oh. I just cannot anymore. I tried to power through.
Come on over. Now go make someone feel special today.